All right, let's peel back the layers on a luxury SUV that's hiding a serious secret. In the world of Mercedes-Benz's GLE lineup, you've got options for days. From sensible four-cylinders to fire-breathing AMG monsters. But what if you want the muscle without the melodrama? That, my friends, is where the 2025 Mercedes-Benz GLE580 quietly enters the chat. Think of this SUV as the Aston Martin of the GLE family. It's not about shouting its performance from the rooftops with aggressive body kits. Instead, it's all about high-end luxury and a V8 heart that delivers a different kind of thrill. Our test model came decked out in a stunning Côte d'Azur blue paint and a yacht blue leather interior that looks like it was pulled straight from a billionaire's weekend cruiser. It's pure class. But here's the plot twist. Underneath all that elegance is a beast waiting to be unleashed. The GLE580 is powered by a twin-turbo V8 mild hybrid, a slightly tamer cousin of the engine Mercedes supplies to Aston Martin. We expected it to be quick, maybe on par with the AMG GLE53. We were wrong. This thing is a rocket ship in a tuxedo. It launches from 0 to 60 in just 3.9 seconds. Let that sink in. That's not just fast for a luxury SUV. That's creeping into supercar territory and putting it much closer to the full-blown AMG 63 than its price tag suggests. It's the ultimate sleeper, the quiet bodyguard who can suddenly pull off incredible moves. Nobody sees it coming. If you love these deep dives into cars that are more than meets the eye, do us a solid and hit that subscribe button. We're always uncovering hidden gems like this, and you don't want to miss out. Inside, the luxury continues. You get incredible 11-point massaging seats, a scent dispenser to keep the cabin fresh, and carpets so plush you'll be tempted to drive barefoot. It's all about making the driver and passengers feel completely pampered. However, it's not a perfect story. For a vehicle with an as-tested price north of $120,000, it's a bit cheeky to make you pay extra for essentials like heated rear seats or sunshades. The rear seat back doesn't recline, and you can't even get ventilated rear seats as an option. And a weird quirk we found. At night, the infotainment screens are blindingly bright, even on their dimmest setting. Plus, despite its shocking speed, in everyday driving, it feels every bit of its considerable weight. It drives big, reminding you that you're piloting a heavy, substantial machine. So what's the bottom line? The 2025 Mercedes-Benz GLE580 carves out a unique space for itself. It's for the buyer who appreciates the thunder of a V8 and blistering straight-line speed but wants it wrapped in a package of understated elegance rather than track day aggression. It's the luxury standard-bearer of the GLE lineup, with a surprising performance punch held in reserve for when you really need it. We cut through the marketing noise to give you the real story on cars like this. For more honest, no-fluff reviews that tell you what it's actually like to live with these machines, smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications. You won't regret it.